Welcome to part 3 of our Getting Started series. In this video, we will take a look at how to create stock groups. To set up your stock groups, select Stock Items and then Stock Group. When starting out, try to keep the number of stock groups small to keep reporting and future changes easy. The stock groups are also used as the categories on your online shop, so it's important to keep that in mind. In this tutorial, we will, however, only be looking at the basics. To create a new group name, click on Add New Main Group, and then type in the new name under the Stock Groups heading. For our example, we can type in T-shirts over here. Right-click on the stock group name and click on the Add button in order to create a subgroup within your main stock group. So for example, we can have a subgroup of colors or sizes for our t-shirts. When creating these subgroups, make sure you right-click on the correct stock group. Make sure to press Enter after naming the stock groups and subgroups to save any changes made. Other things you can do in this window is change the maximum line discount for every stock group over here, as well as the minimum and maximum markups here and here. The markup influences the selling price of the items within the stock groups, and you won't be able to allocate a discount higher than the percentage selected for each group. All of this will be discussed in further detail in a later startup tutorial. After you are finished creating your new groups, simply select Save over here, and you can start adding stock items to these groups. And that's how easy it is to set up new stock groups and subgroups. Remember, if you need any further assistance, don't hesitate to contact us. Our friendly staff is always available to help.